to stand up and fight. A song for the women who gave us the reason to stand up and die. A song for the children whose voices are stronger than weapons of war. A song for the prisoners still in the system, but their spirit soars. A song for the nation whose freedom is